Record.
Okay. Hi, Lee. Good evening.
Hi,
Okay. Good evening,
teacher.
Lee. Oh, Lee, what's the weather in Vietnam now?
Um, Raining.
It's raining. Oh, also in the Philippines, you know what, Lee? In my country, it is also raining. Okay. So actually, we have a storm now in my country. Some part in the northern part of the Philippines, northern part of my country, there is storm. A lot of people, a lot of houses were damaged, and a lot of people died because of the storm. Very strong storms. Okay, in my place last December, we were hit by a very strong typhoon, and then it almost washed out every in another place, not exactly in my place, in another place. So very strong. So now it's another place. It's in northern part of in my country. Okay. So I hope everything goes well in your place. Like here, it's okay, but still there's a wind, there's strong winds. And then late this afternoon, actually there's a heavy rain and also a strong winds. The weather is not really good. Okay. So now, Lee, let us have here, since teacher Anne is talking about weather. So let us have here the world, the weather, and the work. Okay. It's W, W, and W. Okay. Firstly, we have the word pop star. Are you familiar with pop star?
Pop star.
Okay. Do you know what is this? You know what is pop
Yes.
star? Yeah. Okay. Next one is the cave. Have you visited
Cave.
any cave? Have you visited?
No.
Oh, not yet. In my country, there were so many caves here. Next is
Desert.
the desert. This one. So in the desert, okay, usually it's very hot and there's no water. Okay, so it's very dry, that place. So if you are going to live in the desert, it is quite hard for you to stay there for quite long, like a year. It's very hard because there is water. And we knew already that we cannot survive if there is no water. Okay, that's a very odd for us. So we really need water for us to survive. For us to live, we need water. It's very important. Okay. Now, Lee, I've been thinking about this. Okay. Please choose a word here. Pop star, cave, or desert. You choose one and you make a sentence. Please choose a word and make a sentence, Lee.
Um, Pasta.
Okay, pop star. You can write in the chat box. It is up to you.
What? Can
Lee,
you
you
repeat
can
that?
you can chat in the chat box. Okay, if you want, you can write in the chat box, Lee. You can write here or you will write here. Here. Okay, maybe in the chat box. You can write in the chat box or you can write in the screen.
I don't understand me.
Okay. Uh, I mean, you make a sentence sample here. Look at Lee. Oh, wait, teacher. Okay, like when I say, I never, sorry, Lee. I never visited any cave. Okay, that's my sentence. Using the word cave. I use the word cave here. Okay, now make a sentence using any, with just one only. Pick. Okay, pop star. You make a sentence using pop star. One sentence only using pop star. Okay, let me check. Okay, I have never met any pop star. Very good, Lee. Okay, great job, Lee. That's it. So teacher is trying to let you make sentence so I can check if you really understand the word. If you can understand the word, of course, it means you can make sentence. Very good. Okay, next one. Okay, another we have the word
Storm.
storm. Okay, storm. Okay. Next we have wave,
Wave.
and this one is the land. Okay,
Land.
choose one word again. One word. Any. You choose any word using storm, using wave, or using land. Okay, Lee, you can pick now, Amy. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me see. My father has got a piece of land to grow vegetable. Very good. Okay. So always remember, oh yes, Lynn, when you make a sentence, always make the first letter of the sentence big one. Okay, like here. My. You said my. Okay. Father. Okay. So always make this first letter capital or big letter. Don't forget that. And at the end of every sentence like this one, I, it's big letter, don't forget to put period. Okay. If it is a question, oh, you put question mark. Okay. So I know you understand. Very good. Okay, Lee. Next one, Lee. Okay, I will erase first. Okay, great job, Lee. Very good, Lee. Great job. Doing great. Okay, nextly is the word screen. Okay, like
Screen.
this one, screen of the computer. Okay, this one, website,
Website.
HTML www.youtube.com. That's HTML. HTML www.VNT or Vietnamese language. That's website. Okay, next is the whole. Okay,
Whole.
this one. Look at the hole. It's so dangerously if you will step if you will gonna step on it. Okay, choose one word. Any. Okay. Okay. I often visit websites to watch news. Very good. Yes. Period. Don't forget. Okay. Great job, Lee. Very good, Lee. Okay. So next one. Okay. Look at your Lee teacher and we're gonna tell you a little bit about grammar on article. We call this the and the. They are article. Okay. This is very easy. The basic one. We call this as article. Okay. So they are the article. Okay. So is used in front of singular countable nouns. A person, animal, or a thing which are not specific. Like a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor. Okay? Again, is used in front of a singular countable nouns. It means, okay, from the word countable noun, it means can be counted. We can count the cat. We can count the bird, the child, the doctor. We can count. Like how many cats? Three, teacher. How many birds? Four, teacher. We can count that one. Okay, so we use for countable nouns. Okay, which are not specific. We don't use before uncountable or plural nouns. So we will not say, okay, we will not say a cats. No. A birds. No, it's wrong. Lee, remember, we don't use before uncountable or plural noun. Teacher, what is uncountable? Okay. These are the things that cannot be counted, like water. Okay. Water. Yes. Water cannot be counted. We cannot count water. So we will not say a water. Okay. Oh, oh. So if the noun starts with consonant, comes before the noun. So, okay. Another, we don't use a before countable nouns. Okay. Next is an. Okay. We use an for vowel letters. Okay. We only have five vowel letters. A, E, I, O, and U. This one. Letter A, letter A, E, O, U, and I. These are only the five vowel letters. Okay. If the word starts with vowel letters like apple, egg, okay, like ant, o, orange. So we use automatically, we will use and. Okay, remember that. Okay, and. How about the? The is used in front of all nouns. It does not matter. Okay, sorry. It does not matter whether the noun is singular, only one, or plural, many, countable or uncountable. Okay. Water. Okay. So when we use the, we will not mind Lee if it's singular, only one, or it's plural, many. If it is countable, we can count or we cannot count. This is only to describe someone or something specific or unique, like the earth. Okay, there's only one earth. The world, only one world. The sky, oh, it's unique. The air, oh, the weather. Okay, so these words are unique and specific because when we see weather, we only knew or we knew already weather. You know what is weather? Cloudy, sunny, stormy. Okay, those are rainy weather. Okay, air. You know that air. Only one air. Only one sky. So when you say sky, there is no other sky. Only one sky there. When you say world, only one world. Okay. So it means is specific. So when I say the Mongol, okay, that's pencil. Specific the pencil. Okay, I am telling it's my iPhone. The iPhone, the phone. So it means this is specific. Okay, I am telling you about not a cell phone, but iPhone. Okay, you can say an iPhone because it starts with I. An iPhone. Okay, you can say that one because it starts with I. That's vowel. Okay. So we only have this very easy. If it starts with vowel letters or vowel sound, you will use article and. If it is specific, you will use the. If it starts with consonant, consonant, K, B, C, D, okay, W, we will use, okay, what we'll use? We will use A, okay. So another one here, Lee, okay, we are done with the past tense. So here, Lee, please write your answer with all these things here. Okay. So we have here, you look and read and choose the correct words and write them on the line. What do you think are the answer for these questions? Okay, like number one, businessmen and businesswomen go to this place to work and have meetings. That is office. Okay, next. Okay, please answer number two, Lee. Wait, Lee. Please answer. You write here the answer or you can write in the chat box. Please choose the right words that will be the answer. You can choose in the right and in the left. If you have question, you can ask me. Lee. Okay, thank you, Lee. So, oh, wait. Okay, so we have here, Lee, can you please read number one? Let us check your answer. Okay, websites. Websites. Please read number one.
Information on my list.
Okay. When you are online, you can find all kinds of information on these websites. Oh, I don't know what happened with your voice, Lee. It's quite choppy. Okay, number two, your answer, dentist. Very good. Please read. Two. This person, Lee.
This person can you repeat what that is?
Okay. Oh yeah, Lee. Lee, I understand. Okay. I'll be the one to read Lee because it's quite choppy. Okay. Very good. Three answer is a cave. Okay. If you visit this very dark place in the rocks, you might see bats inside it. It's a cave. Next is four, storm. Okay, very good, correct. You might feel frightened in this loud, wet, and windy kind of weather. Okay, that's a storm. Five, what is your answer? Oh, very good. It's up storm. Great job, Lee. Very good, Lee. Is this kind of weather? It's very difficult. No, no. You might see this person sing or play an instrument. Okay, that is pop stars. Okay. Number six, you said fog. Oh, it's not frog. It's fog. Okay, this is wrong. It's fog. Okay. In this kind of weather, it is very difficult to see places that are far away. So that is why you need to be gentle when you try to look or consider the fog. Okay, fog is what we call as fog. It's like a smoke. Okay, we cannot actually see properly what is in the fog. Okay, next one we have the desert. Okay, only plants that don't need lots of water can grow in this hot place. Let me see. Okay, very good. Your answer. Desert needs, okay, if you go there and if you want to stay or live in there, it is very hard because only plants need that doesn't need water can grow there. Like camel. A camel, an animal that's camel, can survive in this earth. They can walk because camel doesn't need to drink water always. So that's why it is good for the camel. Mostly in the desert, you can see camels. Okay, next is number eight. Screen, very goodly. Screen, Lee. Screen, not skin. Okay, look at, be careful with your word. Okay, you look at words and picture on this part of computer when you are studying like this. What you can see in the screen here, teacher Ann is always asking. Okay, okay, Lee, did you see what is on the screen? This is the screen of the computer. Okay. Look up when you are outside in the day or at night, and you will always see this. Okay. It's a very good, Lee. Great job. It's a sky. It's the sky that you can see outside. Okay. When you look up, it's color blue, and sometimes it becomes white, and sometimes it's getting very dark and looks like color gray when there is storm or the weather is not good. Okay. Then, okay, wave. Oh, perfectly. This is a seawater that moves up and down in the wind. Wave. Okay. So let me see. Okay. Uh Leave the Zoom will ends. Okay, please join again. Okay, wait me. Let us check. Very good. Yay, perfectly. Great job. Okay, so you've got 10 over 10. Okay. Very goodly for this. Okay. You can join the Zoom again. Okay. Because the Zoom will end now. Okay. I will see you in a while. Please join.